Hey everyone, it's Ed at Are You Cars, and we've got another Kia Soul for you. 2013 facelift, 1.6 diesel, automatic, just 59,000 miles with 5 services, 2 owners, 2 keys, immaculately presented. This one's the Shaker edition, so it is fully loaded, or as loaded as a Kia Soul gets. It's finished in the vanilla shake white, rides on the 18-inch alloys, it's got the privacy glass, has got glass sunroof as well. Reverse camera. Absolutely clean as a whistle. These Shaker editions are very hard to come by. Inside, equally as well presented as the outside. The boot is all clean and tidy with no funny smells. You've got your load cover, your net and your mats there. And beneath that carpet there is some extra storage, along with a space saver spare wheel. Inside, we've got the houndstooth cloth interior with the rear electric windows, Isofix and 3 proper seat belts. Again, immaculately presented. And as we move into the front, you'll see we've got 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel. Very clean and tidy seats. With the side airbags as well. Folding mirrors, electric windows. Cruise control, audio controls and telephone controls all on the steering wheel. And I'll just start the car for you. You'll see there's no warnings or anything untoward. So there you have it, all starts as it should, no warnings, no nasties. Mileage is 59,534. Got your reverse camera just there in the mirror, which is a cool little feature. Down here we've got your start stop button, your MP3 Bluetooth audio stereo with your air conditioning. Down here we've got your auxiliary iPod USB connectivity, where the lead for that is in the glove box, still in the packaging from new. Gear selector, cup holders, and as I just show you, you will see that this car is spotless. Sometimes these cars can wear up here and across the dashboard and look a bit scruffy, but you'll see this one is absolutely mint. The handbooks are in the glove box along with your iPod lead, as I say, still brand new in the packaging, never used. Tilt and slide sunroof. As you can see there, I'm not going to waste your time going through all of that, but this really is a spectacular example. If you are looking for a nice Kia Soul, you'll struggle to find better than this. Please do give us a call on 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. And if you require finance, we can assist with that. We work with a number of lenders to find you the best deals that we can. Thanks for watching.